Oh, yeah, balcony. On the right side of the balcony. Fuck's sakes, man. Got library in the nook there. Nice. That's funny. I've never heard that before. Should I sell my cheap bison skin for the M41S?
I was like, I don't know, and I honestly don't care. Like,
last guy is
give me the
already
ace.
dead.
Give me the ace.
Oh, just play him. Play him. Don't play.
Yeet!
Oh, you lucky fucker.
Are they just chilling? Yeah, it seems like they're just chilling. Oh.
He's on A site. Come on,
What?
let me get him.
Isn't that guy right there?
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
so
we have-
confused because our team. Oh, you were right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Why? Why did someone leave?
Banana. The bomb's down there. I shouldn't have peeked. That was stupid of me. I should have stayed back. Okay, so he just planted the bomb.
Deploying flashbang.
He's in the nook.
Where?
Right
In
there.
there?
Nice. Good shit. Good play.
Where?
Diffusing.
Okay.
Beauty.
Yeah, they're going mid.
Grenade.
Okay. It's one on A. Two on A, I think. Oh, you just saw him. Nice. One left. Oh!
Diffusing.
Oh! Nice shot. Oh my god. Oh, that must feel good. Damn.
Sorry. I just got a bone.
Same.
Bomb's down B.
Oh.
Behind me.
Wow, he jumped really high.
Yeah, that was... Wow. He's got hops.
Yeah, Jesus. Okay, perfect. Oh no. I'd wait. Just stay back. Yeah, hide right there.
The thing is
Hide, sits. Jeez.
No! Dude, I heard him pick up a weapon! Oh, that was me. Pick that up.
Decoys out.
Okay, I guess there'd be.
Thank God I missed so many shots.
It's one guy, okay.
I'm flashing.
Flashbang.
Okay. He's in the back corner of the left. Back corner.
What? 90. What? Oh, you got him, you got him. Oh, you got him, nice.
Using the bomb.
Dude, are you kidding me? Oh my god. That's fucking bullshit.
Yeah, there's one guy. Oh, he's throwing a.
He's got into Geb.
That was hilarious. You just see him sitting and moving. That thing.
Grenade out.
Oh, grenade. Oh
Ow.
my. Okay, well,
He's flash,
Thank
he's
you.
flash, he's opping though.
mouse.
One less.
He's opping on the right side.
Oh, yeah, I think he went to the
I
left
got him, I
side.
got him.
Oh, nice.
This guy is, he's gonna come and do a hard op peek.
Oh.
Yeah, okay.
Sniper.
One left on B. Gun up.
Take the... There you go. Oh. Okay, 2v2.
Find us. Are you fucking serious with this? Dude!
Oh,
What, like...
that's-
Oh my god!
Okay, this is good. This is good.
Oh god, no, please!
I can't believe it. I gave him 61 damage. There's two there on the left of you. Oh, and up there. Nice. Okay, 2v1.
This is a bad idea. Yeah.
Oh, nice try. Oh god, the 27 I gave him. There's two guys there. Right, yeah. Nice. Oh! Oh, Tyler, yes! Okay, it's Paco. You got
Oh, that's
this.
good, yes. Okay.
Shit, watch you guys. Wait, right here, right.
That was so bad.
Okay, just wait till he tries to unplant.
It's going around.
Okay, lucky first shot. Alright. Well, no, not lucky. Just you aimed it on his head.
No, my AK! Oh, fuck!
The guy's going apps down low.
They must be
Yeah,
here.
bounce
the
the die right now. And now they fire on the bomb because, by the way, we can thank Mauza for this. He completely ruined this. Dude, okay, no, are you kidding me? Mauza, that was all your fault. There's another one up there.
Yeah.
Three left.
The guy down low here. Down low in apartments. Yes! Yes, Tyler!
Oh my
Guy
god!
right there. You didn't hear him?
No, I did. I tried to take my gun out on time, but I couldn't. That was my fault. I was being stupid. I should have kept my gun out like from the get-go. Let's go. Nice shots, man.
They will
Okay.
remember this
Okay.
day.
God, we fucking thank God. Bro, if we didn't win that,
Okay.
I was just gonna like delete CSGO.
What? What happened?
We won.
Okay, yes!
Yeah, the guy clutched it
Oh
with
my
those
God.
last couple op shots.